Hello, this is Mr. Tech Talk. Today is November 13th, the second Tuesday of the month of November, and it is Patch Tuesday for Windows 10. And yes, the 1809 update is available again. Should you download the 1809 update? I wouldn't recommend it. I would say wait a week or two to see how it goes and if people have any problems. If it works, it is a great update. I love it and it's really fast too. But if it's not good, you know the horrendous things that can occur. But it is really important to do the cumulative updates, so I will be leaving a link below so you can download them without going to the update button, which will install the 1809 update. This was Mr. Tech Talk. Thank you for watching. Until next time.